This video tutorial can be followed for both 4x6 and 4x8 product sizes. Installation steps are the same. Hardware for each size is as follows. Ensure you have all pieces. This install requires 2 people. Make sure installers are wearing proper safety gear. Trays are pre-drilled with 4 or 5 holes depending on your board size. Measure the placement of your board on the wall. Measure from the floor and mark the wall. Double-check height and width measurements before beginning installation. Take the tray and place it on the mark. In order to properly ensure the board is straight, a level should be used, placed under the board. Once the tray is leveled, mark the spaces with the pre-drilled holes. Drill the holes with a power tool. For drywall, drill a 5/16 inch hole in the wall. For concrete, drill a 1/4 inch hole to the wall. Insert the correct anchor in the wall and tighten with a handheld screwdriver. While one person holds the tray, the other inserts the 1 1/4 inch screws into each anchor with a power tool. Now the tray is attached to the wall. Measure from the bottom edge of the tray and mark the height of the board on the wall. Use the level, this time to draw a line the length of the board. Place the L-clip on the line. Make a mark at the top of the slot of the L-clip. Drill a hole on the mark. Insert the anchor with a handheld screwdriver. Insert the screw into the L-clip with a power tool and loosen it half a turn with a handheld screwdriver. The clip should be able to move up. Ensure placement of L-clips are aligned with the bottom screws and repeat installation for the remaining L-clips. Move all clips up. Clean the tray of any debris before installing the board. 2 people are needed to insert the board into the slot on the back of the tray. Push it flat against the wall. Bring the L-clips down. Make sure they touch the top of the board. One person must hold the board while the other uses a ladder. Use the 5/8 inch self-tapping screws to secure each L-clip to the top of the board. Finally, install accessories. Install the hook clips first. Hook clips should be facing up and easily slide onto the map rail. Add the map rail ends onto each top corner of the board and screw in using map rail screws. Any questions? Just contact us. We're happy to help. Fill out the Contact Us form on our website, select Installation Assembly Help, and we will contact you directly to assist with any installation questions.